guys, guess what? Today I'm gonna be doing the camping by the pond. Don't get me wrong, I still love my wife, but tonight is the night that I'm gonna sleeping by my pond with my koi. So let's go camping by the pond. All right, as you can see, I have my gazebo ready. And I have this outdoor mat ready and my pop-up tent, my light, my sleeping bag, little Bluetooth speaker and phone charger. Keep my phone fully charged and keep myself connected with you guys. And I'm supposed to have a chandelier up there, but no, I have a camping light lantern up there for the time being. That's on top of my gazebo. And down here, as you can see, I have some LED light in my pond, multicolor, the Chances color. So it's red now. I'm gonna turn to changing color. Soon, yeah, pink and green. Anyway, maybe later, but for now, let's set up my tent. So I'm in my gazebo with all the mosquito nets down, except this one. I'm gonna go in and out there. So let's set up my pop-up tent and sleeping bag. Get ready for camping by the pond. Again, just remember, I still love my wife, but tonight is the night that I'm gonna sleep with my koi by the pond. Let's get started. All right. So this is my pop-up tent. Easy pop-up, literally pop-up. Let me unbag it for now. So that's the back, and we're gonna pop out. Woo! See? I told you, the pop-up tent. There you go. And this is the door. Open it up. And my sleeping bag. I'll put this one inside just in case it's raining. I doubt it. I will get wet because I got my gazebo. Sleeping bag. Guess what? I gotta go get a pillow. My Bluetooth speakers. Gotta go inside. Now I need to go my pillow. Get my pillow. All right. I got my pillow. And also my floor mat. So let's set this one inside. All right, let me show you inside. So that's my quarter. Got my pillow, floor mat, sit like that, and my sleeping bag. And maybe turn on this light. There. That's for my inside lights right here. Okay. My camping quarter is set up. Now let me show you around my pond at night. All right, let's go around so you can see over here. Everything is dark except those LED lights, and they are solar power lights, so I don't have to connect any power to it except the solar panel, charging the battery and turn on the light at night time. And of course I order from Amazon. And let's go around. So I got my LEDs, garden lights, turn on right now around my garden. And here, on the other side of my pond, and you got my sprinkler is on. And so I should be going over there, the water gonna be spraying all over me. But to do a demonstration, I'm gonna show you. See? Yeah. So, don't really want to go there at this time of the night. But yeah, dark now, so let me know what you think about those LED lights that I set by the waterfalls there. If it's that okay, or I need to relocate to somewhere else. Please just let me know in the comments below. Okay, and let's go into my filter room. So I have a solar light in here too, so it's supposed to turn on as soon as I come in. Uh-oh, it's dead. Uh-oh, then we have a problem. There you go. Oh, got this box cover the sensor. All right. So this is my filter room at night time. I got the solar light. Yeah, powered by solar panel on the outside of the shed or the room. Just in case I need to go in here at night time. So I actually cleaned the pump today, but I didn't do the media cleaning because I wait for maybe tomorrow or Tuesday when the weather is dry, so I need to water my garden. So I'm gonna do the cleaning then, so I don't have to waste the water, because right now and it's been raining for a few days, so the garden is so saturated with water already, so I don't want to add some more water in it. That's my filter house. Well, that's it for now. All my tent, everything is set in here, so ready for a good night's sleep. listen to the waterfalls on my music by the Bluetooth speaker. And I'll check back to you in the morning. Good night for now.
Morning, guys. Yeah, it was a chilly night last night. Temperature dropped out from 21 degrees down to 10 degrees last night. So it was kind of chilly, but I made it through the night. And here I am with my breakfast, coffee and bagel on the waterfall.
All right, so come and enjoy breakfast with me. Coffee and bagel, and see my fish. Right, I'm gonna open this one up. Good morning, guys. My fish still down there. See my water lily flower still asleep. And the chili sort of fish stay at the bottom. So I think it's gonna be a sunny day today. And the sun is up over there. Still chilly. You see me in vest. Yeah, just keep myself warm for now. I haven't got my furniture down, my fire table down here yet, so otherwise it would be nice. But probably I'll do that today. But yeah, kind of nice to be out here camping in the backyard. Haven't done this for a while. My kids are all big. They don't like camping anymore. They have their own things to do, work and video games, I guess. But here I am by my pond with a fish. Very nice, my favorite. Bagel with strawberry cream cheese. Made by my lovely wife. My Jumbo extra large coffee. Kill it. Oh. Love it. This is for koi run. My watercress coming up slowly. There's one over there. I've lost some of them through the steamer because the roots got loose and got put into the steamer. And one more over here. Let me come closer. All right, here's my last year survivor. Watercress coming up there. I may get some more. And touching those rocks over there on that corner. So right now,
The only two survivors, one over here and one on the other side there by the waterfall. Well, we got some of the neighbors' plants coming over again this year. I think I just leave them overhang by the wall. It will make my pond look more natural, I guess. Some rocks falling off on the side there. I need to reset that too. Well, that's it, guys. Camping by the pond for the first time this year. And it was lovely, relaxing, a little bit chilly, but as the weather gets better, I'll do this more often. Well, enjoy your day. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.